The next point is loading asset data through transaction code ABLDT. This transaction code ABLDT does not exist in SAP ECC. So it was introduced in SAP S/4HANA Finance. So if you go to transaction code ABLDT and input the required information and then continue, so you will have this screen. So what we can do with this transaction code? We can load asset historical values, accumulated depreciation, and depreciation for the year through this new transaction code, that is ABLDT. Secondly, if we are familiar with the transaction code AS91, which is used to load asset master data and values for previous years and the current year. So what is the change in this transaction code? This transaction code does not upload GL values anymore in SAP S/4HANA.